challenging, but
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morgan County in southeastern Ohio, Athens County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Benton County in southeastern Ohio, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Athens, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Nelsonville, Gloucester, McConnellsville, Albany, Chester Hill, Lake Hope State Park, Chauncey, Malta, Bucktown, Starport, Jacksonville, Trimble, Bristol, Ainsville, Stroud Run State Park, Burnt Oak State Park, Hackney, Eagle Ford, and the Plains.
absolutely, they've